Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to private your profile with your how to private your profile on Facebook. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open Facebook and tap on top menu. After that, go to settings. Here you can see. After that, here you can see option privacy checkup. Click on this, and here you can see now click on what you can see, what you who can see what you share. Now click on this. After that, click on profile information and click on continue. Now here you can see your all my information. Now click on next. Now again click on next, and here you can see like here you can see my post and profile. Here you can see my post and profile. Everyone can see. Now click on this everyone, and here click on only me. Here you can see only me. In this way you can now click on this and here select only me. In this way you can private your profile and your all posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.